With our previous system, we had a lot of issues when it came to the validity of the information and forecasting sales. Crunchtime takes that guesswork out. Hi, I'm Michael Drake. I am the Field Implementation Manager of Ops Excellence.
My name is Ashley McLain, and I'm the Store Systems Administrator for Back of House Systems. It's so nice having purchasing, inventory, even recipes all in just one platform. You don't have to get those spreadsheets out and do all that. The ABT report is really honestly one of the biggest hidden gems that we have so far. You're able to click on a certain product and you can really drill down into, you can see vendor orders, you can see consumption, you can see sales depletion. So you can really see all that in one place. We've already seen so much positive feedback from a lot of franchisees and even GMs at our corporate locations.
One of the things that we really liked and attracted us to Crunchtime was the ability for them to incorporate AI into the scheduling and inventory platforms. Our franchisees already are kind of utilizing the weather and are excited to see, based on the forecast that the system is projecting, what their sales are actually getting. So as we get closer and closer and as we get more and more usage into the system and adoption, we're starting to see that forecast versus that actual start to kind of align. They can just trust that the data is accurate. Crunchtime allows them to focus on things that they don't normally have enough time to do because they were spending all that time doing admin work.